Cold brew coffee, we love you so. Here's a recipe that we think you should know.
Hi, I'm Brent. I do product development for Stumptown Coffee, and today we're in the Cold Brew apartment with Zachary Carlson from Sprudge and the co-author of a new coffee cookbook called But First Coffee.
It's so good to be here, Brent, at long last, and I have been aching to share this recipe from But First Coffee, the tiramisu cake.
I love tiramisu.
Well, Brent, tiramisu's from Italy. Sometimes they make it with espresso, marsala wine, even rum. We decided to modernize the recipe and kick it up a notch with sweet, sweet cold brew.
Well, that's great because I could really use a cup of coffee right now.
Me too.
Let's get started. Start with 2 eggs and split the egg whites and egg yolks into 2 separate bowls. Then, with a hand mixer, beat the egg yolks and sugar together. Then fold in the mascarpone cheese. In a separate bowl, beat egg whites with a pinch of salt until stiff peaks form. Then fold the egg whites into the mixture.
Now it's time for cold brew. Pour some of our delicious cold brew into a bowl, and then dip ladyfinger cookies in it one by one. Once you dip, put your cookie flat on a baking dish until you cover the bottom of the dish.
Pour half the mixture over the ladyfingers, then add another layer and stack them right on top. Now, pour your mixture over the top of those ladyfingers. Dust it with some cocoa. Put some foil on top and put it in the fridge for 4 hours. Tiramisu is Italian for pick-me-up. I know I'm ready for a slice. Isn't this amazing?
Y'all are going to love this recipe.
This is so good.
Cold brew coffee, we love you so. Here's a recipe that we think you should know.
Thanks and have a great day.